Hi, today I'm gonna tell you how you can earn money online from your home by working at home. So please first subscribe my channel so that you can watch all the latest videos. So let's get started. So the first freelancing platform from which you can work from your home and get many orders and earn money is fiverr.com. It's fiverr.com. So fiverr.com is the best online freelance marketing, and here you can earn money. What you can do is you can provide your services to the people. You can put your gigs, and then you can provide your services, and then the people who need it can contact you, and then you can get many orders and you can earn much money as you want. But let me show you. Here you can use WordPress, gigs, voiceover, whiteboard, social media, and if you see here, there are many options like graphic and designs and digital marketing, writing and translation. So you can provide you many services. What you have, what are your experiences, what qualifications you have, what skills you have, you can provide your services here. So the second one is freelancing.com. So freelancing.com is also a very best freelancing platform. You can work from home and get many orders from here. So it's also very good. Here what you do, you can propose your project. Like if you have a project, you can just post it. Or freelancing.com, you can just bid on projects. Like if you have some skill and you see some projects and you want to bid on it, the other person can select you. So it's also a very good website. You can just visit here. Like here you can see, this is a creative communicator with more than 38 years of writing. So you write your information. What you have to do is you have to register yourself, and then you can work with your skills. And the third one is guru.com. So guru.com is also a very best freelancing platform. So here also you can, like you want any skill like WordPress, mobile or any more, you can just here also you bid on the projects and you can work from home. You don't have to go anywhere else for doing your work. You can just work from your home. You just need a laptop, internet, and the work you can do here. You can post a job, you can hire freelancers, you can get work done, you can make secure payments, and you can do anything. You can just visit this site. What you have to do is you have to sign up here. So there is also one more freelancing platform that is the best one, upwork.com. So upwork.com is also the best. This is one of the best freelancing platform. You can get started with it and work from your home. Like you can bid on some projects, but it's little difficult to register on Upwork because it's limited, but you can try. So now here you can look the top skills. They are telling you like copywriter, Facebook developer. So whatever skills you have, you can work from your home, and it's very easy to do, and you can earn as many money as you want. So the last one I'll tell you is people per hour. People per hour is also a freelancing platform. You can also log in, you can register to all of this, and you can work here, work with them. It's very easy. You don't need to worry more. So as you can see here, it's also a freelancing platform and trusted by thousands of businesses globally. So you can just check it and you can register here. You can post projects, you can bid on the projects and work with them. It's very easy. So one thing I want to tell you, whenever you, like in Fiverr, if you start working on Fiverr, I recommend you to start with $5. Like if you're providing your new service, start with $5, and then you can just increase as you get more orders. You can just increase the price. So you can earn online from home from these freelancing platforms. So thank you so much.